Have you ever wanted the flavor of outdoor grilling without dealing with unpredictable weather, propane tanks, or a smoky backyard setup? Or maybe you tried indoor grills that simply couldn't deliver a proper sear. If that sounds familiar, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro 7 in one indoor grill and griddle combo promises to bring real grilling performance right to your kitchen. Today we're taking an honest look at the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro 7 in one indoor grill and griddle combo, a premium countertop appliance built for home cooks, busy families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants restaurant-style grilled food without stepping outside. Combining grilling, griddling, air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating into one machine. It aims to replace several kitchen appliances while delivering consistently impressive results. You can find a direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is that this is a substantial appliance. It has a sturdy, premium feel with a modern black finish that looks right at home in a contemporary kitchen. While it takes up more counter space than a traditional air fryer, the build quality immediately inspires confidence. The interchangeable grill grate, flat top griddle, and crisper basket all feature durable ceramic non-stick coatings that feel built for regular use. Every component locks securely into place, and the digital control panel is clean, responsive, and surprisingly easy to navigate. Performance is where the Ninja Foodi truly separates itself from many competitors. The independently powered grill grate reaches temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, producing a much stronger sear than most indoor grills. Steaks develop visible grill marks, burgers stay juicy, and vegetables caramelize beautifully without needing an outdoor barbecue. The included smart thermometer is another standout feature. Simply insert the probe, choose your preferred protein and desired doneness, and the grill monitors everything automatically. It removes much of the guesswork from cooking, making it much easier to achieve perfectly cooked chicken, pork, fish, or steak without constantly checking temperatures. Daily use feels straightforward despite the wide range of features. The controls are intuitive, switching between cooking functions is simple, and cleanup doesn't require much effort. The ceramic-coated grill grate, griddle plate, and crisper basket are dishwasher safe, while the non-stick surfaces release food easily with minimal scrubbing. That convenience makes the appliance practical enough for everyday cooking rather than something reserved only for weekends. Of course, no appliance is perfect. Because of its generous cooking capacity, it requires more countertop and storage space than compact grills. It's also positioned at a higher price point than many basic indoor grills. However, when you consider that it replaces an air fryer, indoor grill, griddle, dehydrator, and several other appliances, the overall value becomes much easier to justify. Compared with similarly priced indoor grills from Cuisinart, George Foreman, and even previous Ninja Foodi models, the Smart XL Pro stands out with its powerful 500-degree grill grate, smart cook thermometer, dual hood cooking modes, large family size capacity, and genuine 7-in-1 versatility. It offers one of the most complete indoor cooking experiences currently available. Overall, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro 7 in one indoor grill and griddle combo is an outstanding choice for families, serious home cooks, and anyone who wants year-round grilling without sacrificing performance. It delivers excellent cooking results, exceptional versatility, and thoughtful features that genuinely improve everyday cooking. If you want one appliance capable of handling almost every meal, this is one of the strongest options in its class. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews, and check the link in the description for today's latest price and available discounts before making your purchase.